Good afternoon.
Yes. Take your textbook.
Wait. Amma.
Good afternoon.
Amma.
Who is calling their mama, mama, mama? Please
Yeah.
mute. What is this? Oh my God. Huh? Mama, mama.
Hayan.
Hayan. There is Hayan. Hayan, please mute and call. 1 second.
Mama, TV19.
Please mute and call. Huh?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay. Listen here. What class, what we learned? Ba. Letter ba. Ba se badak. Ba se So, badak. अर्थ क्या है? डक. डक. अर्थ क्या है? डक. बदक. अर्थ क्या है? डक. डक.
Duck.
बा से बदक. डक. Take your textbook. Page number 38. Take your textbook, page number 38. Page number 38. Today we are going to study two letters together. Today we are going to study two letters together. Bha, bha and ma. Bha and ma. Oh, mute.
Ba.
Please mute and say. Bha and ma. See, where is your finger? Last class already we learned ba, normal ba. Tirtha Joli. Are you writing now? Listen here. Yes. Where is your finger? Keep it on your mouth and pronounce. Last class what we learned, that ba first you should pronounce. Ba. Ba, badak. Ba, badak. Okay. We didn't get no air from our mouth. Ba, badak. Ba, badak. Clear? Ba, badak. Today we are going to study ba, give stress. Pa. So open. We'll get air. Pa. Now, are you getting air? Yes or no? Pa.
Yes.
Pa. First last class ba you say ba. Badak. Today pa. Bhavan. Okay. Bhavan. अर्थ क्या है? Bhavan meaning house. Bhavan meaning क्या है? House. Bhavanam, Malayalam word also, that is same to Malayalam word. Bhavan. So anyway, already we learned one word, house. That is that, which word that? Already we learned. Now, yes, very good. Yes. Adam Jo, very good. Yes. Kha se ghar. Bhavan also ghar. Bhavan also क्या है? घर. Bhavan also घर. Both meaning same. Word should be different. Meaning same. Yes. Bhavan. Bhavan अर्थ क्या है? House. Bhavan अर्थ क्या है? House. Say house. Not a house. House. No tail with the house. House illa. House. Clear.
House.
तो 5 बार बताओ मेरे साथ बताओ 5 बार बताओ फ से भवन
Ba se bavan. Tha se bavan. Ba se bavan. Ba se ha se bavan. Ba se bavan.
give stress फ से
Ba se bavan. Ba se bavan. Bavan. Ha se bavan. Ba se bavan. Ba se bavan. Ba se bavan. Ba se bavan. Ha se bavan. Ba se bavan. Ba se bavan. Ba se bavan.
Yes, enough. Next page number 38 भा next अक्षर माँ क्या है माँ 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 normal माँ माँ से मछली मछली I think you know that word मछली जल की रानी है poem is मछली who is that Malavika where please sing Malavika will you know that
Yes.
Malavika will sing now yes
मछली की रानी है जीवन उसका पानी है अब बढ़ाओ उसका
okay yes machli fish we know that word machli
fish
machli meaning अर्थ क्या है मछली
fish
yes and Anna Catherine what happened Anna Catherine what happened
yes ma'am
what happened no okay yes then please mute your audio mute yes next bha bhavan after that next letter क्या है माँ से मछली अर्थ क्या है fish मछली अर्थ क्या है fish नहीं now से 5 बार बताओ माँ मेरे साथ बताओ माँ से मछली माँ से मछली
माँ से मछली
yes okay माँ से मछली see once more until read yes listen here pa please mute your audio pa se padang fa se fal please mute listen here pa se padang fa se fal ba se badak pha se bhavan ma se machli clear now once more please mute your audio and say with mere sath badao okay please mute your audio and say pa se padang Anna Catherine please mute and say pa se padang Sandria Mola, please mute. You don't say, that is better. Listen here. Pa se padang, fa se fal, ba se badak, pha se bhavan, ma se machli. Clear now? Ma se machli. Now close your textbook and notebook. Close your textbook and notebook. Where is your pencil? Keep it on your table without my permission. Don't touch that. Okay. Yes, listen. Listen here. Can you hear me? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
One second. So, okay, listen. Already we learned this letter. Dhailidha. Then Dhanushda. What is the specialty that letter? इसके ऊपर no line, very straight line, इसके साथ line. Yes, here line, very straight line, इसके साथ line. Okay, other letters we wrote example. Example we wrote Garga, Chatri, Chatur. We wrote full draw. Dhaili da and Dhanush da के साथ very straight line इसके साथ line. Clear now? Yes. Okay, already we learned these two letters. Like when I teach this letter, I told this is the specialty of this letter. Dhaili da and Dhanush da. Clear now? Okay. Yes. So after that we learn, I told when we learn pa and fa together we'll study. I told this is na change to pa, pa change to fa. That also we learn. Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay.
Yes.
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 So,
Yes.
easy tarah. Today we are going to study new letter bha. Bha. How to write ba? Look here. Yes. Take one small curve here, then come here, and take again one curve. इसके साथ one straight line ba. Did you understand? Once more I will write. Yes. Okay. Straight with once more I will write. First you take one curve like this. Clear? Yes. Yes. Okay. Then इसके साथ one draw line, but don't touch down. Don't touch down. So up to here you reach. Take one. Take here. Clear? Who is talking there? Who is talking there? Yes. Clear? Okay. Then इसके साथ straight line. इसके साथ straighten. Or you can write like this also, no problem. Yes, go up and come down. Clear? Okay, I will write here. Yes. Can write like this and you can write like this. Now, see, in this Bhavan Ba also, no line. Bha, e curve ke saath, no line. Only here. See how we wrote Dhaili Dha and Dhanush Dha. इसी तरह Bhavan Ba के साथ. Okay, da इसके साथ no line. Dhanush da no line. Here also no line. Clear now? Okay, that is the difference.
Okay.
But today we learn 3 letters like that. Which one? Dhailidha, Dhanushda, and Bhavanba. See this letter, specialty of this letter. Don't write now, listen here. Yes. The only very straight line iske saath line is there. So now to clear that, I will take another. Yes. Clear? Yeah. See this letter, 3 letters. What this? Okay. Dhailita, Dhanushda and Bhavan Bha. Okay. इसके ऊपर no line. Clear? Dhailita, there. Here no line. Dhanushda, no line. Bhavan Bha, no line there. Clear? Okay. Yes. Next one. Bha. We learn Bha. Next, today we are going to study.
Ma'am, page number what?
Mokle, close your notebook and textbook. Look here. Look at the board. Okay. Close your notebook and textbook. Maithili, I told keep there. Where is your pen? Pen or pencil? I told no, keep it on your table. That. And please mute your audio. Yes, okay. We learned Bha. This Bha, how to change Ma. Listen here. Bha, how to change. Already we learned Bha. I will write here. Ya kya hai? Ye Bha. ये बा के साथ here one small curve, but ma के साथ no curve. See, we can draw full. See the difference? Ba and ma. Clear? Once more I will write. Ma के साथ no curve, we can draw full ma. Ma के साथ we can draw full line up. इसके ऊपर we can draw full line. But ma के साथ no, don't draw very straight line. इसके साथ draw. See the difference? ये भा, भावन. ये क्या है? मा. बा के साथ कर, ma के साथ no कर. Did you understand that? Bha and ma. Clear? Okay. So I told how to identify the letter. If you Swarachara and Vyanjanachara, if you study full, in between we will write that letter. Some students can't identify the letter. That's why I am giving some small clue. But you will remember that clue. Okay, ma'am told it. Dhanushda, Dhailida, Bhavanda. Iske upar no, don't draw. Full, only straight line where iske upar draw. Other all letter ke saath we can draw. That already I told. Na letter how to change pa how to change fa. Clear? That always you should remember and identify that all letter. Next, now I told Bhavan Ba how to change ma. Okay. Garga and Dhanushda. What is the difference? Garga. Listen, this is Dhanushda. Ye Garga. See the difference? Isi tarah Bha and ma also. So you should each letter with a clue. You should identify that letter. Oh, ma'am told Dhanushda and Garga. Okay. Bhavan Bha and Machalima. What is the difference? You find out that. Okay? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So,
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. All are telling yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. After 1 week, we know yes, ma'am. Okay. So, please open your notebook, two-line book, and write today's date. 12, today. Yes or no? Yes, I think. And draw column. And first you write ba. After that, write ma. Write ba. Bha. Yes. Bha. Bha.
Ma'am.
Ah, yes. What happened?
Ma'am.
Ah, yes. क्या हुआ?
Ma'am, 2 page right.
Now write one page. Ba. Bhavan bha. Only one
Ma'am,
page.
5 page right.
Huh?
5 page right.
5 page. Oh. Who told 5 page? Huh? Take your notebook and write. First you write bha.
Say C right.
Bha se bhavan. Eh? Who is that? Have you any doubts? Ask louder. Huh? Have you any doubts?
Who say K?
Right. Bha.
Who say P1? Who say P1? Sorry, ma'am, that was my mistake.
Right. Bha. Bha se bhavan. Bha one page finish. Next page you write ma. Bha finish no next page write ma.
Ma.
Ma se machli.
Ma say machli.
Now write ba. Now please write bha se bhavan. Now write bha se bhavan.
Ma'am.
Now write bha se bhavan.
Ma 2 page right. Ma'am, completed two lectures. Ma'am, Ma 2 page right.
No.
Completed.
First you write bha one page. After that write ma.
Ma'am,
Ah.
studying.
Huh?
And 2 page. Studying. Ma'am, 2 lectures completed. Ma'am, studying. Ma'am, Ma'am, paase pading. Paase pading. Ma'am, 2 lectures completed.
Please mute your audio and say.
Ma'am, paase pading. Paase pading. Right, ma'am.
Okay, if ba finish now,
Ma'am, right, ma'am.
take next page and write ma.
Ma'am, right, ma'am.
So if you finish bha now,
Ma'am, right, ma'am. Both see you. Ma'am, you don't see you. Ma'am, pattern.
if you finish ba now, next achar, write ma.
Ma'am, right, ma'am.
Yes, ma.
Right, ma'am.
Very easy letter now.
Ma'am, this also completed.
Yes, write next letter ma.
And this also completed.
Ma.
Hello. Right. Ma'am, right, ma'am. Right, ma'am.
If you finish
Right.
ba now, write ma.
Right, ma'am.
Ma se machli. Bedavo. If you
Paase pad. Ma'am, paase pad. This also completed.
finish now.
Ma'am.
One page ba.
Ma'am.
Who is that talking there?
Yes.
Who is that? Who is calling ma'am, ma'am, ma'am? Huh? My God, who is that? Say your name. What is your problem?
Nakshatra.
Huh?
Nakshatra.
Nakshatra. Where is that? Huh?
No.
Nakshatra, where is? Someone calling ma'am, ma'am, ma'am. Who is that? Huh?
Nakshatra, ma'am.
Nakshatra. Huh? Hello?
Hello.
Nakshatra.
Hello. Am I here?
Where? I can't see. Nakshatra, where?
Second box you.
Please raise your hand. Nakshatra. Huh? Hello? Who is
Hello.
that? Huh?
Hello. No.
Where? Where is that person? Where?
Video. Oh.
Huh? You please switch on your video. I didn't see that. Some are calling ma, 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 ma. I don't know.
Video. Ma'am. Ma'am.
See, listen, you write and study. We will continue next class this letter also. Okay, so our time finish. Say bye. When you are writing, say the letter and word also.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you.